Tonight it's just a dot of light. By tomorrow it has a name and a deadline. Somewhere a screen blinks, a number updates, and one astronomer stops breathing. Within the hour, every phone on Earth says the same word: impact. Eight billion people, one way out, and nowhere far enough to go. The final evening feels strangely normal. That's the cruelest part. Then the sky itself begins to glow, and the dot becomes a second sun. For 3 seconds, it tears the air apart faster than sound can warn you. And then, contact. The ground doesn't break, it vaporizes. A column of molten rock punches up through the atmosphere and into space. The blast wave spreads outward, flattening everything for hundreds of miles. If it lands in the ocean, the water rises into a wall taller than skylines. Then the debris falls back to Earth, and the whole sky catches fire. The dust climbs high. The sun goes dim, and a long winter begins. Underground, in the dark, a few small lights refuse to go out. Years pass, the dust settles, and something green pushes up through the ash. It hasn't happened yet. The dot in the sky tonight is still just a dot, for now.